Hello everyone, welcome to this online lecture. The topic which we will be starting in this lecture is going to be Marathas. So we will be having a detailed discussion on Shivaji, how he expanded or founded the empire, how his legacy was passed through his successors. So Maratha, if we talk about them, they proved to be the first state which was considered as Hindu kingdom, which was established after the fall of Vijayanagar Empire. Vijayanagar Empire. Because Vijayanagar Empire, when it was established, so for the very first time, any Hindu kingdom was founded. But when Marathas came into power, they proved to be the successors of the Hindu legacy which was founded during the time of Vijayanagar Empire. And the time period, it clashes with around the period of Jahangir, who was the Mughal ruling emperor at that time. And Jahangir, during his rule, he proved to be the first Mughal emperor who recognized the importance of Marathas, because Marathas physically also they are regarded as really powerful, and because of that he means Jahangir tried to uh, take a maximum output of their strength. So because of that he inducted Marathas into the Mughal army. And before the rise of Shivaji, although the concrete empire was founded by Shivaji, but before the rise of Shivaji also, Marathas they served in military as well as administrative posts, administrative posts under the Bahmani Sultanate. Bahmani Sultanate. Yes. And when Bahmani Sultanate broke down into 5 independent states, Maratha services also got divided between Bijapur and Ahmednagar. Bijapur and Ahmednagar. Yes. And if we are talking about Ahmednagar, so Malik Amber, when he was the Prime Minister of Ahmednagar, Malik Amber, he took the maximum utilization of Maratha talent in the warfare, either it's in administration or in military warfare. So from there we found Marathas showing their strength of physical or diplomatic strength. And the rise of Maratha state, it occurred under the leadership of Shivaji in 17th century. And 17th century also coincide with the period when we find the beginning of disintegration. And disintegration of what? Of Mughal Empire. Mughal Empire. Yes. And it is also said that among the independent states which emerged during the decline of Mughals, Marathas were the most successful, and not only successful but also they were very powerful. And this was the scenario in which we find the appearance of Marathas into the power. And also Marathas, when they were ruling, they also tried to maintain the social, social and economic equality. Economic equality, because they were not concretely following the supremacy of the ruler. Rather, Shivaji used to regard himself first amongst equal. So somehow feudalistic policy, as Afghans had also followed the same policy, Shivaji were also following the same, and because of that, equality was sought to be maintained. And when we talk about the reasons why Maratha Empire or Maratha state came into power in 16th century or 17th century, so there were various reasons. For example, the religious movements of 16th, 17th century, religious movements of 16th, 17th century. So this proved to be something which installed a sense of unity and somehow an integration among the people. And Shivaji also infused political consciousness among the people of the Maratha region. So because of that, combining the strong social structure and at the same time the religious awareness which was spread by the religious movements of Maharashtra, it contributed integrally to the rise of Marathas. And in Bhakti movement we know that saints like Tukaram, Ramdas, Vaman Pandit, Vaman Pandit. They used to serve the sermons in Marathi, and which provided a strong sense of democracy in the Maratha people. So these were the reasons which obviously facilitated the expansion and foundation of the empire. And the geographical factor, socio-political background, we have already discussed, and it is said that Maratha kingdom, it rules in the hilly Sahyadri region. And Sahyadri, we know it is around the region of Western Ghats. And because of that, it is said that geographical location of Maharashtra, it helped in the rise of Marathas because the hilly plains, the unstable background, as Marathas were pro to that, Marathas were aware of that, but the opponent was not. And because of that, it helped them to develop their guerrilla warfare strategy. And this is the reason why geography of Maharashtra has been regarded as one of the important factors behind Maratha evolution. And yes, historiographically, I also want to talk a bit. Um a historian or British